Welcome to group scheduling. This is the new group scheduler in Rock, and the first step that you will want to check is the filters. If you do not already have your group set up here, then you will select it by navigating through your tree, and I'm working on the test group, so I selected the test volunteers and click select. I'll select how many weeks I want to schedule at a time, so I'll just change this to 3. And you will want to make sure that the locations and schedules are correct and click apply. And then you'll see the first week here, and then there's a scroll bar here at the bottom, or you can just click on the page and move it to the side to get to the next week's. Oh, looks like I already have somebody scheduled in here. Oh, that's kind of fun. And then you can go back. That's something new. The other new thing on this schedule, it is mobile friendly. So you can take and schedule people on the go now. There's a new feature called cloning. So I will just put 3 people into the 9 a.m. slot here. So you just saw how I did that. Click the plus sign and say I want those same 3 people to show up next week at 9 o'clock. So I can clone. I've already practiced this, so it was already populated, but I selected the group, the location, and the schedule. And I want it to show up next week. So I hit clone and it says I've successfully cloned that schedule. And so now I have the same people at both times. So that is an easy way of getting people on the schedule. The other easy way that was available in the last scheduler as well is auto schedule. So when you click auto schedule, it'll populate the time and the day where people have selected that they would have preferences to serve. So when I did that, we populated the 11 and the 5 o'clock service for the first week and the 11 o'clock service for the second week. Doesn't look like anybody had a preference for that week at 5 o'clock. And we already had some in here on this third week when we looked at it, and we've added another one. So that's one way to quickly get some people on the schedule as well. Navigating back up here to the top of the screen, we have a zoom button. So if you want to see, it gets smaller, but you can see a little bit at a glance where you have more and less people signed up, or at least invited. That's your zoom button. The question mark, it tells you what all the keys and codes and colors mean. And then just click question mark again, it'll disappear. This makes it go full screen, and then you just hit escape to get back. And then this last little 3 dots, if you click this, you'll copy the link to the clipboard. And so what does that mean? That means that the settings that you've already set in the filters is included in this link. So you could email this to yourself and then just click it while you're on your mobile phone and you'll go right to this page. You might have to log in first, but you'll get straight to this page and be ready to go. So that's kind of a helpful hint. The other thing we wanted to say is, let's see, you can technically double book somebody now. Say somebody they're serving in hospitality and on the prayer team or something like that. Rock will give you a warning, but it will technically allow you to put people into different groups during the same time frame. I believe that is the basics of the new group scheduler. I'm excited for it and hope that you are as well.